Yeah, what's up YouTube? This is iPgeek94 here. We have a quick video on how to put Siri proxy servers on the tool called Spire. Now here are the proxy servers that you want to enter here. The name is root hacks and enter. They actually have 9 servers here because depending on how much traffic is in each server, you use a different one to see if that works. So it's currently it's free, so there's gonna be a lot of traffic through it. I recommend you paying donating to somebody for a paid proxy server to get the best connection, a better response from Siri. Now, what you need to do in order to make this work, you have to download this thing right here, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. So what you want to do is there's one of these links. You can do any of this. For example, I'll be using this for the video. You want to take that and input it here on the proxy host. So go to settings, go right down to you see Spire or whatever it's called. Okay, go up to proxy host. Then you want to enter, wherever for the video I'm gonna be doing the 1000. Okay, you go put 0 and make sure that's all correct. My bad, guys. Okay, next step. Let me just do this quickly. I haven't deleted, my profile. I'll explain that later on to the video. What the heck? You guys already know my passcode. Oops, my bad. Okay. Okay. So now what you want to do is go to Safari. And then now you want to go here and enter that. I can't put that in the description. I mean, I can, but I can't put this link exactly like this. I have to put space or dot. So, you guys can see it very clear from this video. Just, copy down on a piece of paper. You can type that down, or if you guys request it, I'm going to try to put it down the best I can. Okay, so now you want, that link I showed you, you want to enter it here. Just enter it quick. Kind of hard to see through the camera. Okay, such. Okay, so basically you want to enter this. Now we are downloading this. It's not going to work, guys, so take that, type it down to Safari or whatever web browser you guys use, and then now you will click go. Okay, I think I did a mistake, guys. Hold on. CRT. Well, that's weird. It's not letting me downloading the thing. My bad, guys. This thing never happens to me before. I just enter it and you just let me download the thing, but now I guess I'm getting at 404 not found. Alright, it's not gonna work, but basically that's what you need to do. Like each Proxy server to have a this thing right here. You just enter that to Safari, you press go, and you would download that, and then you accept it, enter your passcode if you do have one, and it'll be on the trusted list. And then you go to Spire, and then you enter the host HTTP ID. I mean the address, and then basically it will work depending if the server does work. I mean, later on, they're all gonna be more Siri servers and stuff. I thought Siri right now is working on a server which is not even Apple server. It's more as a Google API or L. I think that's what it's called. So basically, the example, you enter Siri, you say something, when it does a little wing thing, it sends the what do you call that? Speech data to Google, and then I think it's something before that, and you translate the speech data into a text file, and then it goes to your Google server, and the Google server will send that request back to a to the Proxy server you connected to, and then it will give you a response back to Siri right here. So basically that's how it all works. Again, guys, I'm sorry that it didn't work. That crap didn't know what happens to me before. Well, I just want to say one more thing in this video. There is some scam Siri videos. No, I mean not videos. My bad, guys. Siri proxy servers. They are scams. So basically, they say to donate to get a spot, and then they never give you the code, or it never works. For example, I show you the biggest one here. See this right here? Jake William Smith. Now, he's a big scam artist who scammed a lot of people out of their money and gave them invalid data and never gave them a reply. It's pretty much sad to me, This guy pretty much has no life, I mean, and he scammed a lot of people, and I know a lot of people that want to go to his house and break his teeth, so, yeah, I think that's a little bit out from the content of this video, but I just wanted to say that. Alright, guys, if you like this video, please, subscribe and comment. I'll try to help you guys out. Alright, see you guys later. Peace.